Hello children, welcome back to PNMSC e-learning classes. Let's start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Animals and their senses. So our first topic is senses in animals. Just like human beings, animals have sense organs that helps them to touch, smell, taste, see and feel the world around them. So children, just like human being, animals also have the sense organs from which they can touch, they can smell, they can taste, they can see and they can feel also around the world. Now first we will learn about the insects. Small animals with 6 legs are known as insects. What is insects? Small animals and they are having the 6 legs. They are known as insects. Most insects like bees, flies, butterflies, ants and cockroaches have antennae on their heads. So children, this is the special organs, sense organ we can say, which they are having, that is called antenna. And what work antenna do? These are special sense organs which they also use to help their way. From this they can find their way. Insects also have special eyes made up of many lenses called compound eyes. So children, insects have special eyes and what they are called? They are called compound eyes. Now what compound eyes do? That helps them to see things better from far away. Now what is the role of the compound eyes? What they do? They help the insects to see things better from far away. Butterflies have sense organs in their feet which helps them to smell things. Now butterflies have the sense organs in their feet. Now what they do? They help them to smell things. They suck nectar from flowers using a proboscis. The proboscis acts like a straw. Now what is the proboscis? It is a long tube. It is used for feeding, and with that they suck the nectar and the proboscis acts like a straw. So butterflies, they have the feet, they have the sense organs in their feet and they suck the nectar. Now land animals. Most land animals smell through their nose, see with their eyes, taste with their tongues and hear with their ears. So children, most of the animals, they smell with their noses, see with their eyes, taste with their tongues and hear with their ears. Certain senses are sharper in some animals than others. So we can see that certain senses are sharper in some animals than the other animals. Now we will see some of those animals who are having certain sense organs which are sharper than the other animals. Dogs have a very strong sense of smell. Sniffer dogs are used by the police for tracing criminals. Now you have seen the dogs. What they do? They had a strong sense of smell. They smell the things, and policemen, they use the dogs, sniffer dogs. Now what they do? They smell the things and they trace the criminals. Though rats have poor eyesight, they have sharp sense of taste, smell and sound. So rats, they are having the poor eyesight. They can't see nicely, but they have sharp sense of taste, smell and sound. Snakes have poor eyesight. They have sharper sense of smell and taste because their hearing is also not very good. Now snakes also, they have poor eyesight and also their hearing is not very good, but they have a sharper sense of smell and taste. They can smell and they can taste very well, but their eyesight and their hearing power is less. Scavengers like hawks, vultures, foxes, wolves, etc. depend on their sense of smell to locate dead animals for food. So scavengers like hawks, vultures, foxes, wolves, they depend on their smell. They can smell it and they can locate the dead animals for their food. Bats are blind but manage to fly and hunt using their sense of hearing. Bats can even hear sound of very high frequency. So bats, they are blind but they manage to fly and hunt using the sense of hearing. They can hear very well, and by hearing they can manage to fly and hunt. So they can hear sounds of very high frequency. Cats have long whiskers that helps them detect things around them. Cats are having long whiskers from which they can detect the things around them. All cats also have very strong vision that helps them see things at night. Now birds. Birds like eagles, owls and hawks have very strong vision. So birds like eagles, owls and hawks, they are having a very strong vision. They can spot their prey from quite a distance. They can see their food from quite a distance. Some birds use their sense of smell to find their way to their nest. So some birds, they smell very well and they can find their way with their smell the way to their nest. Birds have an excellent sense of hearing even though they do not have external ears. Now birds do not have external ears in their body, but they are having the excellent sense of hearing. An owl's sense of hearing is 10 times stronger than that of a human being. So owl can hear more than human being. How many times? 10 times stronger than that of a human being. They use their sense of hearing to communicate with their mates, rivals, young ones and flock members, or to locate their prey. So what they do? They use their sense of hearing to communicate with their mates, then young ones and flock members, and to locate their food. Now water animals. Fish have a strong sense of sight which helps them to find food and avoid predators. Now fish have a strong sense of sight. They can see very well and they can find their food and also they can avoid their enemies. They have taste buds on their lips, skin and bodies. Now they have the taste bud on their lips, skin and bodies. They have internal ears which can sense the vibrations created by sound. So fish have internal ears which can sense the vibration created by sound. Sharks use the earth's magnetic field to find their way around. They also have a highly developed sense of smell. Now shark, they use the earth magnetic field to find their way around, and they also have a good sense of smell. Some whales and dolphins give out sound of very high frequencies that echo back and can be detected by these animals. So some whales and dolphins, they have a very good sound of very high frequency, and that is the echo comes back and can give and can be detected by these animals. This helps them to sense their surroundings. So this helps them to sense their surroundings. So children, with this we have completed our first part from this chapter. See you in our next video. Up till then, thank you children. Stay safe.